G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white, you can see there's a reflection of the light. Go a bit closer so you can see better. Just gone in a little bit closer. As you can see, nice blue, electric blues and greens. Especially in this area here. It's directional, but still spectacular. Over here on the left is just potch. You can see there the colour bar going around, disappearing over here. That might be worthwhile grinding down. Sorry, this bit grind down before you decide what you're going to do with cutting this up. But so far I'd say cut it through here somewhere. Chase this piece, middle stone, maybe another little blue stone up the end there. The other piece, fiery reds, white opal potch on the top of it here. Whether it goes to solid red, I don't know. But you can see here, it's the opal bar. This brown needs to be ground off. When you do that, you might end up with a nice stone. Of course, it's all speculation until you start grinding it down, but you can see it's got some nice reds in it. Anyway, they are what they are for the price. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.